Yamoachi ama akwa Adom TV suni oti enka radio so higher sempa 94.7 FM. Ene eye busumia etoso edu ni de dikan na se Ebenezer na Nyankopon twedi ampon basayi Adom ode yen abedronie na mobibia happy new month, the month of October. It's going to be a good month. Wanka amen kase kra amfa an so me so. Me di chief Jerry Force na Nnawotwi dwumadie anapenso so yesim konya a yede bro. Yes no kra uhumi wo na Nnawotwi dwumadie so ache multimedia dwuma no sa na tie aya na yede wakoto ha ya na yede wakoto ha na Nnawotwi atwa mu na me wo wasa krupon e watoye mantem nti ma mefa kwanya yi so na binchia tetrete oku amu asachi mu otoso mienu wasa amenfi manhene last week e dia fashion no na ye wase a yede yekoso bia no yede ebrewo anapai so be da say so afidie no eda Ghana's #1 TV station Adom TV na Asempa 94.7 FM midin ni bio edi Chief Jerry Force yede dwumadie efree studios ha 355 Fanofa Street ewo kokomlemle na yede dwumadie no ede bra unsuo no top papa in October insuo top miniaba Jennifer Queen Oba no insuo no ahwe no me mana kwaba obechirem the extent insuo no ehwe no yada na senso pa se wafa insuo num na ode aba oye deputy communications director of the NPP sanso na lawyer Chumberima is ono so ye member of the NDC communications team ene enkomo ho public interest and accountability committee eye abedwaku a yama wo mutumi se sika yenye free farm go mu no wo mo enhwe toto se na sika no ye di bedi dwuma. And so, one more first quarter reporter, one more day abani say, Sikano, and buy $100 million there. You just Sikano, you make a sense so your Petroleum Revenue Management Actor, and no, and Eshe, na a total Sasika, whom she say, na, say, Sikano, say, and the Petroleum Holding Fund no emu, and so you just Sikano, you Abidafuatnasi, Yebisa, Ebiana, Obapa Jennifer, Ebeboy, and Sikano. Ebi ana fie no anwumra abai ye hunu sika na akiri kwan ye bisa say $100 million no e wo he en oze enti obeche bebi $100 million no afa na fe nkoma toso mi no ya hwe Ghana eya ahoboa na fe wakosi nkonya one IMF e wo bailout no ho no ye bisa say aso aban no beye abeba ne mamu ada ho fine sa negotiations no kura trodu e wo mu no won be ka kire IMF no se na be ya moa ye hia free wo mo ho no won betimi di samwa no e de aman. That is the first part of the show. Ne atosum ye no mene CEO deputy CEO for Coastal Development Authority ye no pani kase no e betwetwen enkomo enti kan ho we are live on Facebook Adom TV on Facebook and afia Asempa 94.7 FM on Facebook. On behalf of my solid production team, meeting at the Chief Jerry Force, we betimi afrem CJ Yamoachi ama akwaba.